Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the MSI Stealth A18 AI Plus 18-inch 120Hz UHD Plus, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. I've gotta say, gaming laptops have come a long way in terms of performance and design. But when I saw the MSI Stealth A18 AI Plus, I knew right away that this was something special. It's like they took all the excitement of gaming and distilled it down to one machine, and let me tell you, it feels amazing. So who is this for? The answer is simple: anyone who wants an incredible gaming experience without breaking the bank. These laptops have been flying off the shelves, and it's easy to see why. From casual gamers to serious enthusiasts, this thing has got it all. One of the things that really stood out to me was the AI features built right into the processor. I mean, we've heard about AI-powered assistants before, but never in a gaming laptop. It's like having your own personal co-pilot helping you navigate menus, suggest game settings, and even assisting with tasks like video editing. And let me tell you, it makes a huge difference. But what really sets the MSI Stealth A18 apart is its display. The 18-inch 4K UHD mini LED screen is absolutely stunning. Colors are rich and vibrant, and everything on screen feels buttery smooth, whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. It's like you're right there in the game. And then there's Wi-Fi 7. Now, I know what you're thinking: what's so special about Wi-Fi? Well, let me tell you, this thing is fast. Like, ridiculously fast. Downloading large files or streaming high-quality video? No problem. It's like having your own personal superhighway. Now, I've used this laptop for a week now, and overall, it's been an absolute blast. The performance is silky smooth, the display is incredible, and everything just feels right. Of course, there are some downsides, like the battery life, which could be better. But hey, that's a minor complaint. Overall, I'd say this laptop is worth every penny. It's not perfect, but it's damn close. If you're in the market for a new gaming laptop, do yourself a favor and check out the MSI Stealth A18 AI Plus. Trust me, you won't regret it. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.